Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're showing you how to buy on SHEIN without credit card, using a simple and safe method that anyone can follow. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the SHEIN app. Make sure you're already logged into your SHEIN account, so you can access your personal settings without any issues. Step 2. Within the menu, look for the cart option located at the bottom of your screen, and tap on it. This will open up your shopping cart and show all the items you've added. Step 3. Here, you'll see the list of items in your cart. If you haven't added your card before, that's totally fine. Just select the product you want to buy, then hit the checkout button at the bottom. Step 4. On the checkout page, first make sure your shipping address is filled out correctly. This is important so SHEIN knows where to send your order, and you can avoid delivery issues later on. Step 5. Scroll down to the payment methods section. Now here's the trick. Instead of selecting a credit card, choose the PayPal option or any other available non-credit card method listed. This is how you can buy on SHEIN without credit card and still pay securely. Step 6. After selecting PayPal, follow the on-screen instructions to log into your PayPal account and complete the payment. Once that's done, you're all set. Your order will be processed without ever needing a credit card. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.